Find and control the invasion pod. Again, 20 minutes, 10 points. And locate and secure the caged alien and take it back to your base.
James, so they're going to start tires and
head that way towards comms, see if we can get the alien crate, because it's the number of points.
Go on! They're running, sorry.
Fuck out. Is that shooting down there?
Red's already at signpost.
Right.
I don't know, do we try and go round on them?
Probably. How many have you got down? Oh shit.
Incoming.
James, we're going to push left from this position. Down at the bottom. James, I've moved up forward behind some walls.
Me and my mate make a play for that. It's a 4-man carry.
It is, isn't it?
You got anyone else that
We've got eyes on the crate, mate. We've got eyes on the crate. It's right here in front of us.
I would say.
Should we just get it?
Yeah.
If you guys can give suppressive, a couple of us can go and grab this crate.
I can give you plenty of cover if you get 4 people to go and grab it.
How many do?
It's a 4-man carry. We've got 3 at the minute.
Yeah, we just need a couple more people. There's me and another lad.
I've got a lad just beyond this wall as well.
Is he aware?
Yeah.
We need one more person. Volunteer for the crate, please. 1. We've got 2 more here. We got a lad ready.
You got 4 people? Yeah? Do you want to put some fire down?
Give me a count.
3, 2, 1, go! Go! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go! Hit, hit, hit! Go! Go! Somebody else grab that crate! Hit! Just go!
Right, we got it! Right, someone grab the crate! We need one more.
Anybody? Thank you.
Get down here. 1,
3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Thanks. That cover was awesome.
They're getting bit over there, so we might want to stack this.
We've got the crate, mate. We're moving it through comms onto main road now towards farm.
We try and move back now.
Yeah, we see. We're going to try and we'll fall back in a minute.
You move back, I'll cover you. Yeah?
Okay, cheers. Pull back. You need that near the farm then, because it's a bitch firefight round there.
Where are we sitting there?
Who's that down there? Can we have a couple move up forward?
Owen's coming back and I'm coming back to farm, because he's obviously got the firepower to defend it.
Where's it going? Behind this?
Yeah. There we go.
Nice one. We've delivered it at farm.
That was good suppressive, that was.
I've been using the thing.
That's possibly the best suppressive fire. They just didn't have a chance, did they?
Right, I'm going to pop a smoke there to get on. I'm going to pop a smoke there to put it. Sounds right. Want to get round it?
Yeah. Owen, get in the photo.
No, you can't see it. Go. Right hand side. 2 people.
Nice.
Cool. With our alien.
Good grab, guys. Good grab.
No, that's what I've done.
Did you see the suppressive fire?
I did, yeah.